Morning and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I'm actually getting my roof wrapped for my Mazda 6. I luckily found a homie that's willing and available to help me wrap the roof because I have no idea how vinyl works and I'm looking forward to it. So here's the before, here's the material that we're gonna use, prepping it in the back. This is the first step done. We did some prep work and then now we have the vinyl laying on top.
Tack it on this one. Let's see if we can hold it properly. Can you unroll it? Stretch it?
Make sure you check the back.
Yes.
The back. Stretch it.
That's it.
We'll start from the middle out. So I want to start from the middle out.
Alright, I'm gonna stretch it out. Yeah.
Huh?
Stretch it out. Just stretch it out. Like.
Making this harder than it needs to be.
No, it's not. How about you?
Dirty as fuck.
So I was scared to pop it out because it was going to get on the side.
Ooh. Hopefully that doesn't cause a problem.
Sure? Should be. I would just say tuck this corner in at least. But you don't expose it more. Keep it on the
Fold it like this.
Disgusting human being. Look at how fucked up this shit is. Jesus. Well, it's finally done. You can see it here. It's been polished and waxed. Had a little bit of hiccups, but overall looks really good. There it is. So I just got back from Vinyl Labz. That's where we wrapped the Mazda 6. It took about an hour and a half, and it was mostly due to some issues with like dirt and stuff like that, because there were some parts of the roof that haven't been uncovered since I bought the car. So naturally there was a lot of dust. But shout out to the guys who helped me. I'll have their links below and a link to the shop. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about the new roof, and then I'll see you guys in the next upload.